This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ring doorbell. A factory reset is essential for resolving persistent connectivity issues or preparing your device for a new owner. This process completely erases all saved settings and personal data, returning your doorbell to its original factory state. After the reset, you will need to set up your device again from scratch, just like when you first installed it. To begin, you will need to locate the Setup button. For most Ring doorbell models, this button is found on the back of the device or, more commonly, under the faceplate. You will need to carefully remove the security screws, often using a small screwdriver or the specialized tool provided with your doorbell, to access this crucial button. Once you have located the orange Setup button, press and hold it down firmly for at least 10 seconds. You will observe the light on the front of your Ring doorbell flashing several times during this period. Release the button only after the light stops flashing, which signals that the factory reset process has been successfully completed and all data has been cleared. With the reset complete, your Ring doorbell will now be in setup mode, ready for reconnection. Open the Ring application on your smartphone or tablet and follow the clear, on-screen instructions to add your device again. You will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi network credentials and customize all your preferred settings, just as you did during the initial installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.